The Stage 5 series reflects upon our journey of transformation and are the latest models produced by the company. The Solis Stage 5 focuses on advanced features, the latest engine technology, durability, best-in-class ergonomics and operator area. We offer the best value for money to our customers. Solis can boast of one of the most desired product portfolios in the tractor industry, largely because we have the courage to defy all odds, which is a part of our DNA. Before moving into the development phase of the Stage 5 product line, we did an extensive exercise of knowing our customer. What are their needs, their expectations, their value perception, demographics, and of course, key applications and success criteria, all to come up with an unbeatable product definition. Till now, we have commercially launched the 50, 60 and 90 HP Stage 5 utility products and will further strengthen the range till 110 HP as well as the narrow track series at 75 and 90 HP points. Solis tractors are equipped with a heavy-duty axle that can handle demanding tasks, as well as a flat torque curve engine that delivers consistent power across all applications, while also boasting a high power-to-weight ratio. Coming to the engine, it's completely revamped, high backup torque and lower rated RPM to enable smooth, efficient and uninterrupted power for all the applications. The machines are also equipped with best-in-class operator area with mechanical and pneumatic suspension seats, top-notch ergonomics, spacious cabins with highly effective HVAC systems. The best-in-class S-boot hydraulic system has up to 3 double-acting valves, high hydraulic flow rate, range of hitches and trailer brake valves to suit all application needs and offers thorough compatibility. Solis has invested heavily in research and development of this product to ensure that the Solis tractors remain at the forefront of tractor technology. Our strong team of 550 engineers and 4 R&D centers are constantly working on new and innovative solutions to improve the tractor's performance, efficiency, and we are also working on an electric range of tractors and alternative fuels for better environmental impacts. We are really excited to bring the Solis Stage 5 product series to the customers and look forward to welcome them as they join the growing Solis family spread over 150 countries.